senior culture officer katika hili.
We've been moving from strength to strength. We've been diversifying in terms of the activities at the festival. We have been embracing technology. We have been embracing new artistic, artistic forms. We have been embracing more or less hybrid ways of expressing ourselves from a cultural perspective.
Currently, we are over 25 counties which have already come to participate in this festival.
The festival this year received 450 submissions in the film categories. So these include feature films, they include short films, they include reels, they include vodcasts, like all the new digital media platforms that we have. We feel this is important for our festival and for cultural practitioners because this is how we can best export what we call cultural and creative exports to the international community.